Away from traffic, the demographic and health survey has been part of our coverage. We've been focusing on that for quite some time now. And in a continuation of our analysis of that survey, it turns out that the more educated the woman, the less children she is likely to have. According to experts, the only reason why poor people give birth to more children, is because they have a lot more time on their hands. Catherine Omwantho has more on this report.
Mohammed Hussein, who lives in Garissa, does not believe in family planning.
Niko na watoto 19 hai na 8 wamekufa.
Hiyo ni bure tu kabisa. Dawa hiyo bure, bila kataa, hataki kusikia. Mungu ndio analeta watoto na mimba watu, na watu wengine nakosa watoto.
But there are ways that women here are taught to plan their families without necessarily using modern family planning methods.
Kwa anasema tunaplania nani? Ti Mungu ametuplania. Lakini kama hata Mungu amekuplania, Mungu amesema jitahidi. Sasa kina mama tumewafundisha kuna njia nyingi sana ya family planning, na tukielezea tunaelezea kina mama kusaa kwa majira.
Following a report by the National Demographic and Health Survey conducted in 2014 on at least 40,000 households across the counties, it turns out that the poor in our society are having more children than those with money.
The reason is basically very simple, is that the more poor the couple is, the more they tend to be together, the more they tend to come together and sleep together and do things together.
Looking at the details of the report, even the urban poor are having more children than their wealthier counterparts, despite the fact that the urban poor have access to free contraceptives or those at a subsidized price.
There is also the other element of the most poor communities in Kenya. They do not have, the literacy level is very low. So there are those myths and misconceptions that are associated with family planning and contraceptive. It is alleged that contraceptives make somebody sexually inactive, so most of them would avoid contraceptive.
But these remain myths.
Those myths are still within us, and there is no way we can avoid having them. Most Africans think that the more children they have, the wealthier they yes. But of course nowadays we are moving out of that, because the more children you have, the more mouths you have to feed, the more school fees you have to pay. So those of us who are a bit affluent, those are the reasons that are making us to plan our families.
The report also shows that the more educated a woman is, the less children she has.
One, they have a lot of issues to handle, they have a lot of stress. Most of their social life is spent outside but not inside the family circles. And also they can afford to have contraceptives.
Catherine Omwantho, KTN.